Hello, this is Lily. I am in North Carolina. I just got permission to start using my boot. Needless to say, it is very painful to walk in this boot, and I can't even walk too good. He gave me permission to start bearing weight. The pain in my toe, he said, is probably from nerve endings or just nerve pain that I've been experiencing, especially at night. This boot is very painful at the heel, so I'm going to try walking a little bit without it. But like I said, I am doing okay. First time I've got to walk, so I am a little bit wobbly. My daughter is coming right now, and I'm going to have her to video me walking the first time in a boot, and I am not very good at it. So Hannah, just video me maybe 15 seconds worth, because I don't want to go over two minutes.
What's up, everybody? I don't really know how to. Can you turn the camera? I can just video you like this.
Oh yeah. So here I am walking. I think I'm doing pretty good to be walking for the first time in 6 weeks. So anybody that's considering ankle replacement, I think it is good. Like I said, I am a little bit, my heel is in a little bit of pain. Thank you.
Wait, do you want to walk so they can see it? Walk that way?
Yeah.
It's still on.
Okay. Enjoy.